Okay, I'm gonna try to wrap this up and see. So, explore these two different conditions where you're gonna have this area right in here, which is going to be the level of grid 2 that you find on your editor, grid 2 right there. And so if we take the scenario, let's take level B, or situation B. Price comes back into this area, but tags this trade right here. So now you have your buy grid that's already been formed over here, and it's been waiting for prices to return back here. In the meantime, so these grids started to open. You'd already had I want to see, this isn't really accurate. Alright, hold on just one second. Okay, the reason why I said it wasn't accurate completely was this. See if that was a second grid. In this case, you would have had your opposite order. This has been your first opposite order. And then price would have gone up just a little bit more. Let's just say it was here. And then came back down. Okay, in this case, opposite order 2 was issued. And then the current job right now, these two, if price comes back down here, then this is where I feel that's the right thing to do. Those trades are closed if it comes down here. So you take the loss between the difference. In this case, there it is right there. I had that set to 25 pips, so I had a set up to 30. If you move it down to 25, it's going to lessen your loss, because your loss is going to be the difference between those two. So it's, in that case, it would be 25. So, but let's go back and see if we can get the rest of this figured out. So in this case, the price will begin to move back up. And let's just say that's where the close is going to be. So you had to open up another seed order here. So price came down. So this seed order is taking profit down this whole pathway. So that seed order is working with this one. I'll just make a... So that is connected to that. So basically at X, what I'm trying to get to is at X, there's going to be all these trades going to be closed out. This will be closed out, this buy. This will be closed out here. The seed order is working towards now building a forming grid, so that one's left alone. And then there's going to be opposite orders here. They're going to be closed. So let's put that. Those are connected to that. This is going to be closed. And then there's going to be, it's rather complex. And there's going to be a seed order associated with this right here. It's going to be closed. So this is about 11 orders or something like that. Because ultimately we want to get back to, we don't want the grids to continue to build up. So this will close the grids. In this case, this one will actually profit here. I'm going to stop it.